Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious yam porridge, and if you want to know how I prepared it, stay tuned to the end of this video. To begin, I have tomato with onions, crayfish, blend everything together, then pour it inside the yam. The yam is already peeled and washed. Yes guys, add your water, add enough water to cover the yam. Yes, next is to add my tomato paste. Next is to add my chili pepper. The next one is my red oil. Next, I will add a little bit of vegetable oil. Yes guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using ripe plantain, and I'm going to use just one. Next is to peel it and slice it into tiny pieces. Yes guys, for the ripe plantain is optional. You can as well skip it, but I will highly recommend that you should give it a try. Yes guys, next is to pour it inside the pot, as you can see. At this stage I'm going to be adding my Maggi seasoning. I'm using 2 brand. I'm using Maggi chicken and cow brand. Yes, so just add all the seasonings at this stage. I'm gonna adding salt to taste. The next one is to add my mackerel fish, as you can see. After then I will just cover it and leave it to cook.
10 minutes later.
At this stage the porridge yam is boiling, and is getting soft already. So I will go ahead and add my spinach. For this recipe you can use any vegetables of your choice. It doesn't matter. So I will just give it a quick stir and add my vegetable, which is spinach. Yes guys, as you can see, the spinach is just coming out from the freezer, so I'm going to cover it again.
A few moments later.
At this stage the yam is ready, so the next is just combine the vegetable together. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. As you can see, it's looking so yummy. Guys, so guys, this recipe is so easy and simple to prepare. You just have to slice your yam so tiny, and before 10 minutes or 15 minutes your yam is ready. And to be honest guys, the taste is awesome. The taste is so lekker, sugary lekker. If you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try and come and thank me later. Okay my beautiful people, we are going to be dishing it out. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much for your support. May God bless you all. So guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. And there will be an end screen that will pop out at the end part of this video. There will be a video that will pop out. Please do wait to check it out. You can as well check my other videos. Yes guys, I have a lot of interesting videos if you are new to my channel. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao, bye.
yo.